Today we are going to see a new chapter 7, mensuration. In reduced syllabus, the first exercise, that is exercise 7.1, is not included. So I am going to next topic, surface area of cuboid and cube. Cuboid and its surface area. First we are going to see is cuboid. What is cuboid? A cuboid is a closed solid figure bounded by 6 rectangular plane regions. For example, matchbox, brick, book. A cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Here, see one example for cuboid shape. I am taking this one. I am going to explain the faces, edges, vertices. How many faces is there? See the top, bottom. So 1, 2, 3, opposite is 4, 5, 6. So these are all the faces. What is edges? Edges, see here. A line 1, 2, 3, 4. On the top it is 4. On the bottom also 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then in the side 9, 10, likewise here. 11, 12. So how many edges? 12 edges. Vertices is that corner. How many corner it is? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise here. 5, 6, 7, 8. So vertices is 8. Next one is total surface area. Total surface area is, see here, in a cuboid, sum of the area of the all the faces that included the cuboid, all the faces it should be included. See here, outer it is included. That is 6 faces, top, bottom. Likewise here, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 faces should be included. That is called total surface area. Total surface area formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH square unit. Next one is lateral surface area. What is lateral surface area? Yet for total surface area, we are included all the faces. For lateral surface area, we remove, that is, we have to leave out, that is top and bottom. The remaining part should be included. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. This side should be included. We should not conclude the top and bottom. That is called lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is LSA. Formula is 2 into L plus B H square units. Cuboid and its surface area formula is, if the length, breadth, height of the cuboid are L, B, H. Length is L, breadth is B, H is height. What is the total surface area formula? Total surface area, that means shortest form is TSA, is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH square units. LB means L into B plus B into H plus L into H square units. Lateral means we should conclude the outer area fully in a cuboid. Next formula is lateral surface area, that is LSA. Formula is 2 into L plus B H square units. We have to leave out that top and bottom of the cuboid. The remaining part should be included. That is called LSA. Example 7.4 in page number 254. Find the TSA and LSA of a cuboid. That means total surface area and lateral surface area of a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are 7.5 meter, 3 meter, 5 meter respectively. Solution. Given the dimension of a cuboid, length is given as 7.5 meter. That can be taken as L. Breadth is B is equal to 3 meter. And H is 5 meter. They are asking to find the TSA and LSA of a cuboid. First, their finding is TSA of a cuboid is equal to, formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH is equal to 2 into L value, substitute here 7.5 into B value is 3 plus B is 3 into H is 5 plus L value is 7.5 into H value is 5. Then close the bracket. Is equal to 2 into, you multiply and write 7.5 into 3 is 22.5 plus 3 into 5 is 15 plus 7.5 into 5 is 37.5. Then you add this one. 2 into, when you add, you will get 75. After that you multiply. 2 into 75 is 150 meter square. LSA of a cuboid. Then they should find that LSA of a cuboid is equal to formula 2 into L plus B into H is equal to 2 into L value is 7.5 plus B value is 3 into H value is 5 is equal to 2 into, add this one, 7.5 plus 3 is 10.5 into 5. When you multiply these three, you will get 105 meter square. Next, exercise 7.2. The first one is take it as a homework, like example problem. The same thing, I will read the question and explain. Find the total surface area and lateral surface area of a cuboid whose dimensions are length is 20 centimeter, that is L, breadth is B is equal to 15 centimeter and height is H is equal to 8 centimeter. Here you know the formula for TSA and LSA. Write the formula and substitute this value and simplify it. Take it as a homework. Second question. The dimension of a cuboidal box are 6 meter into 400 centimeter into 1.5 meter. The dimension cuboid boxes they given. That means this is L. L is equal to 6. B is equal to 400 centimeter. These ones see that 1 meter and H also they given as a meter. But breadth is they given as a centimeter. First we should change in same unit. Find the cost of painting its entire outer surface at rate of rupees 22 per meter square. That means outer surface, entire outer surface means TSA. Here indirect question. So TSA we should find. I told no, TSA means outer surface, total of outer surface. So TSA we should find. Second question, solution, the dimension I am written that one. That is what I explained that question. The L value is 6 meter I am written. That B value is 400 centimeter. That one I am changing into meter. So you should divide it by 100. Then only it will come as meter. If I divide it by 100, it will come as 4 meter. Now I change this one as the same unit. The H is 1.5 meter. Now I am going to find that entire outer surface area. Instead of that one, I am writing that total surface area of the cuboid is equal to, formula is 2 into LB plus BH into LH square unit. Substitute the values. Is equal to 2 into L value is 6 into B value is 4 plus B value is 4 into H value is 1.5 plus L value is 6 and H value is 1.5. Then close the bracket. Is equal to, multiply this one. 6 into 4 is 24 plus 1.5 into 4 is 6. That means when you multiply, you will get 6.0. After one decimal, you keep it that one. You will get as a 6 plus here also you will get the, when you multiply, you will get 9.0. So 0 will be removed. You should write 9 is equal to 2 into, when you add, you will get 39. After that you multiply 78 meter square. In our question they given us cost of painting per meter is they given us rupees 22. That can be written as 1 meter square is equal to rupees 22. What about 78 meter square? That means you should multiply. Therefore, cost of painting 78 meter square is equal to 78 into 22 is equal to rupees 1716. Third question. The dimension of a hall is 10 meter into 9 meter into 8 meter. That means this is length and breadth is 9 and height is 8. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 8.50 per meter square. Here our question is find the cost of whitewashing the walls and the ceiling, not at the ground. So we should find that one as area of walls and ceiling. Solution. the dimension whatever they given in that question, that one I am written. Then L is equal to 10 meter and breadth is 9 meter, height is 8 meter. Here how I am going to find is the TACA means the entire total surface of a cuboid. Here they are going to whitewash the wall and ceiling. First listen here, the walls means LSA, wall means LSA. So only I am written here LSA. The remaining you are having that ceiling. Ceiling can be written as L into B. Therefore, whitewashing to be done for the area of the surface is equal to LSA means that leave out the area of top and bottom. So remaining we are finding now that is LSA. We are going to find that ceiling. Ceiling can be written as L into B is equal to LSA formula is 2 into L plus B into H plus here L value is 10 into B value is 9 is equal to, in this formula you should substitute LBH. 2 into L value is 10 plus B value is 9 into H value is 8 plus 10 into 9 is 90 is equal to 2 into 10 plus 9 is 19 into 8 plus 90 is equal to, when you multiply these three you will get 304 plus 90. After that you add, you will get 394 meters square. The cost of whitewashing 1 meter square is rupees 8.50. Therefore, cost of whitewashing 394 meters square is equal to 394 into 8.50 is equal to, when you multiply you will get rupees 3,349. Example 7.4. In page number 255, the length, breadth and height of your hall are 25 meter, 15 meter and 5 meter respectively. Find the cost of renovating its floor and 4 walls at the rate of rupees 80 per meter square. Solution. Here the length L is 25 meter and B is 15 meter, H is 5 meter. Here see this picture, they are renovating its floor. Its floor is here, floor and 4 walls. Floor means this one. So this is L into B. This part we are finding now, this inside part, that is called LSA of the cuboid. The area of 4 walls is equal to LSA of cuboid is equal to 2 into L plus B into H is equal to 2 into L value is 25 plus B value is 15 into H value is 5. When you multiply you will get 80 into 5 is equal to 400 meters square. Next they are finding is area of the floor. Floor can be written as L into B is equal to 25 into 15 is equal to 375 meters square. After that they are going to find the total renovating area of the hall is equal to area of 4 walls plus area of the floor is equal to, this is area of the 4 wall is LSA answer. LSA answer is 400 plus area of the floor is 375 meters square. You add, you will get 775 meters square. Therefore, cost of renovating at the rate of rupees 80 per meter square is equal to 80 into 775 is equal to rupees 62,000.